Hi guys, for today I will bring to you Fluent UI A Road to Discover. Someone knows what is the Fluent UI and others not so much, but in this road to discover we will see an overview about the Fluent UI, how easy it is to use and why I need it, okay? Or we need it, because sometimes Fluent UI answers some things, and for us we really need, but why, right? Because we are developers, right? We are not designers, so because I am developer, not a designer, right? So the difference is that in design way we will always make some mock-ups, some tries and so on. In developer way, don't forget you need to apply some frameworks and some best practices used in the industry, right? The designers also, but the works of on a designer is created, right? So sometimes it's like, why I need it? Because I am a developer, faster time to market, make a good design with a framework, use a framework most common. For example, in this case, in the Fluent UI is the most used in Microsoft ecosystem, quickly and faster to use, okay, and avoid the bad design, and the good customer HTML is hard to do, right? So it's why we need Fluent UI. But another thing, this is very fast, short way to tell why we need it, right? If not, we do a lot of bad HTML design. Okay, give you this example. But Fluent UI permit us make some beautiful applications using the same components such as Microsoft use in our products, right? So this is why I need it, because for example SharePoint use it, Power Apps use it, and a lot of other products, for example Word, PowerPoint, and a lot more use it, right? So you have in one overview a lot of components to use in your applications, from for example web, Windows, iOS, Mac OS, cross-platform with for example React and React Native and Android, right? So I give you how easy is, right? So let's see it by ourselves. So if you go to the Microsoft Get Started Web with Fluent UI, right? For example, the design in web, we go to controls, and after that it gives us an overview around all the components the framework have to us. So you go here, for example, and see, for example, the buttons, and in general way we have, for example, the best practices. Okay, what is the button? A brief description, the best practices, okay, and where we use it, and of course the kind of buttons this framework as the elements of this framework have to us, right? For example, the galleries, for example, the pickers, okay, is the same principle always, okay, and of course tag picker, okay, it's possible, the suggestion of tags, right, and the people picker. You see it, right? The list picker, for example, and of course the items, like you sometimes see it in the SharePoint, right? Or in Power Apps or something, right? You know this. I have a lot of examples, for example, for web progress bars, trimmer, the spinner, surface, the model, the panel, okay, and so on. So it's amazing. And of course, to Android, we have also some items, right? For example, the basic, also the command menus, for example, top up bar, right? For example, notification, the snack bar, right? And the items, for example, list cells, right? The avatar, right? So in Mac OS we have also the same principle for cross-platform with using, don't forget, Fluent React Native. We have also the same, and the OS we have also the same. For example, I will show you a navigation, right? So the question here is more easy to us to use, for example, a framework like Fluent UI to apply it to some beautiful designs, okay, and created your solutions based in this framework to work in one application. How fast is so easy than that? You go in your shell, right, create one, but this is for another tutorial. I hope you liked this video, subscribe my channel, and see you soon with more about the Fluent UI and the use to apply it in your application, right? Don't forget, cheers and stay safe, stay home.